Hey guys, welcome back to another Sorted Shorts Garage with me, Julian. Oh Blue, let's take her out for a run. Banging. Grid. You certainly can't beat a nice little drive in the Welsh countryside. Wonderful. Driving lovely, holding the road nice and steady, changing all through the gears nice. Brakes are fantastic, so they should be, seeing as I've gone through them. Heater works, radio works.
2 hours later.
Am I going to pick up anything? Static.
So tired and so exhausted, so run and it's teacher. It's amongst the electorate of the sort. You see? Didn't go out to talk.
Rubbish. It works, but it only picks up rubbish. Never mind. Sticking overnight. Lots to go. Responsive on the throttle. Suspension's good, there's no knocks and bangs or anything like that going over bumps, which is good. Obviously you don't want that. Somebody's in a hurry. You'll find out with that model, sir. to take in the scenery. Driving a big old New Yorker. Fantastic. I haven't like twisted the back wheel to the prop shaft, but I think this has got like a 276 rear end. Seeing as it's a New Yorker, it's going to be more of a motorway cruiser, you know, a highway cruiser, rather than a hot hatch, you know, off the line, nice and quick. You know, this was more of a family come businessman's car, so it wasn't exactly quick off the line, but then highway driving, it gave you good gas mileage, which obviously businessmen, that's what they wanted. But we're cruising now 50 mile an hour. She's purring beautiful. Well, she drove absolutely superb. I am well chuffed with this one, really am. I'll tell you what, while we're here, seeing as we're out in the daylight, now you can see the paint match on the lower rear quarters. That's a really good match, that is. I know it's in the shadow, sorry about the wind. There you go. That ain't too bad at all. I'm really pleased about that. Well, what can I say? Another one done, another one saved. Yeah, thanks ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Like, share, hit the subscribe button if you wouldn't mind, because it will help this channel grow. And I'll see you on the next one. It's Sorted George Garage. What a view.